This video is about hypothesis testing. In this video, we're going to be talking about Pearson correlation. And in the previous videos, we have been talking about what is hypothesis testing, z-test, t-test, ANOVA test, and chi-square test, and also f-test. So let's get into Pearson correlation. It's pretty straightforward, simple. It just measures the linear relationship between two samples. So let's use Scipy and you know measure the relation. So basically the relation is measured with a quantitative from 0 to 1. 1 shows there's a strong correlation, 0 shows there's no correlation. We'll just take a simple data set 4, 6, 8, 10. You can see there is a correlation pretty much y is equals 2x, right? Let's just get that with respect to Pearson correlation. So we pass both the samples x and y, and you can see that the statistic is 1, which shows a strong correlation, and the p-value is c 0, which shows we reject the null hypothesis because it's less than 0.05. 0 is of course less than 0.05, and the same thing happens here. Significant correlation, and we'll see that we're going to reject the null hypothesis that there is definitely a correlation between x and y. And now let's look at another one, which is Spearman uh, rank correlation. So in this case, what's going to happen is we are going to see if there is a relation between two samples by arranging them in sort of a rank manner. What I mean by that is, let's get into an example. Let's say we have scores of students and in two subjects, and let's see if there is any sort of correlation between the marks with respect to a rank. Like let's say math, the first student scores 30, 40, the first student's 30, second student 40, so and so. So each student has scored so and so. And let's say in physics, the same students following the same order scored again 35, 45, 60, 65, 75. So let's you know use the Spearman ranking, and let's pass both both the samples, both the data points, as I said, and you'll see that static is uh, 0.999, and you'll see there's a strong correlation even in terms of ranking as well, and even the p-value is very less as compared to the alpha value, which is 0.05. As you can see, there's a e to the power of 24. It's a very small value, almost close to 0 if I'm not wrong. Again, the same thing goes here. We are going to sphere correlation and p value, and now we're able to see that reject because there is a significant Spearman correlation. Significant Spearman correlation. So yeah, that's pretty much it about this particular video, and yeah, it's all together. We have summarized the overall hypothesis, and I hope this particular playlist helps you guys. And thank you so much. And that's the end of hypothesis testing. Please do share, like, and subscribe. And thank you.